Hi everyone, my name is Abdulaziz and today's lesson is about Photoshop Tutorials Part 6, and today we're gonna look at text tool. So let's get started. First of all, open Photoshop. When you open Photoshop, the first thing that we have to do is creating a new file. Create a new file and rename it to Extreme Learning. Okay, this is white background with 700, height 450. Click this lock to make a layer. Okay, now here we can use text tool. If you want to use text tool, just click this text tool and bring into anywhere that you want to write the text, and also you can align it after you have written. Just write here. Also look up for font styles here. Now this is the size and this is the text color. Let's choose it black. Okay, firstly, to change color, select board and select your color. Now as you can see here, we have just wrote Extreme Learning word. Let's change background color with Paint Bucket tool. When you click here, it says this type layer must be rasterized before proceed. Its text will no longer be editable. Rasterize type. Okay. Firstly, click the eye and hide this layer and select this layer 0, and change to your favorite color. Use darker gray like this. Okay, now click this eye and text is appeared. Let's change text's color to a gold color. When you click Ctrl T, you can change size here. Here, select your word and change it to maybe gold and click OK. Now click here. Let's change the background again. Firstly, align it, hide it, change background to another color, a little bit darker color. Use Paint Bucket tool. Let's appear Extreme Learning. As you can see, this is a gold text. It's a darker background. Let's save it as Extreme Learning gold effect. firstly save it as PSD, and for the next time save it as GPG. You can also use PNG here. It stands for PNG. Save. Okay. Open your file. Now here, as you can see, this is our project. You can also continue your project with this eraser paint tool. As you can see, you can open your file also with PNG, and look here, we have renamed it to Extreme Learning Gold Effect, and title is Extreme Learning Gold Effect. Subscribe to Extreme Learning, and until next time, bye.